Myself, AFSIN SHAIKH, first year CSA branch. Startup company, BB Innovation. Product present name Book. Product proposed name Smart Book. Maintaining some of the requirements and feelings about product as said by the customers during the advertising activities. Using calculator, LED light. Mention based on the advertising state and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new futuristics are added to the existing product. Existing product name book, futuristic product name is Smart. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Solar, chargeable, screen is installed, power bank, charging cable. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mental advice to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.